This is so simple. Just write the keyword or phrase that you want in the Tube Hacker. Choose the maximum results that you want. You can choose between videos or channels if you want videos and channels, so you can choose them both and click on start. Just see how it runs. It's doing the job for you, scraping the most relevant and popular videos that are being watched right now. Okay, because we don't want some videos that have many views but not views right now. The only thing that you need to do right now is to click on download. Once clicking on download, you will receive a CSV file. In the CSV file, in the Excel file, you will see all the links of the YouTube videos that are being watched right now. Now, these videos are targeted to your keyword, to your phrases that you choose. This is relevant to your audience. This is what your audience is watching right now. So you can be in that spot right now. You can be there. Most of the people are now seeing this video, for example, what's the best diet, healthy eating. Okay. Now I even showed you, for example, a fact. I showed you the comment section. As you can see in the comment section, you have many comments that are being written right now. Means that this video is popular and being watched right now, not 2 months ago or a year ago. Right now people are seeing these videos. So if you're going to put this link to this video in your Google Ads targeting, when you're doing an ad campaign, a video ad campaign, your videos are going to be in these specific videos. And this is how you can really hack YouTube algorithm and to be in the spotlight all the time.